today we playing that one. Also my YouTube. Okay guys? Subscribe my channel, pick my video. Okay guys? Well, this puzzle piece and this that one. And the people will go away and that one. Okay guys?
Ready?
Yes!
Ready?
Yes!
One,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Okay, mommy, I like it. Next, okay, next is that one. It's
what's that? Part of that?
what body. Okay.
Okay, this one. Oh no, what's the other one? Missing.
Which one? Which one, mommy? Oh, that one? Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, next.
We
So,
have
that
game.
memory game. Next we have science game.
Science game.
Mouth and ice
Senses.
skates. Senses.
Yes. Senses. What's
Senses.
here? Wait, guys. Finish.
Okay, next let's play that one first. Okay, Dad and Mommy.
Put here in the table first. Wait. Put everything in the table.
Hi. No, because I want to put that one first.
You show to them.
Oh no.
Let me fix it. Show to them first.
Hi guys. Today we play.
This is
This is the
five senses.
5 senses. This one.
The sense of
Sense,
taste,
taste, and eyes,
sight,
and hearing,
hearing,
and touching,
touch. Yes, very good.
and smelling.
Smelling. Very good. What are the senses?
Okay, that one is
Sense of
Yes.
taste,
taste, and this one is
sight,
sight, and this one is
pick it up,
hearing,
hearing,
and this one is touching, and this
the
one
last
is hearing,
smelling.
smelling.
Very good.
Okay, let's do that one, okay? Hey, let's do that one, okay? Hey, let's play now.
Oh, this one, the parts of the
Body.
body.
What is
What is this? What is this? Travis,
this?
what is this? Parts of the
Body.
what is
What?
this?
Head.
And the brown one, what is that?
Hair.
Hair. How about this one?
Eyes.
How about this one?
Ears.
Ears. How about this one?
Nose.
How about this one?
Mouth.
Mouth. How about this one? This one.
A neck.
Neck. Then what is this?
Tummy.
The tummy. How about this one?
Arm.
How about this one?
Shoulders.
Shoulder. Very good. How about this one?
Hands.
Hands. How about this one?
Legs.
Legs. How about this one?
Toes.
This one.
Knees.
Knees. Now, show them.
Knees. Okay, we got head and mouth. Oh, we forgot eyes.
Oh, yeah. So, come here.
And we got eyes.
Yes. What else?
Which one? Fingers.
Fingers. Very good.
Next is the hair.
Hair.
Okay, next is done now. Yes, so what? That's a stage. Okay, guys?
Tastes so good?
Bye, guys. See you on next vlog. $5, please. And don't forget my channel. Bye-bye.